want you to feel the ambience. Look at the view. Even in this side po, ma'am sir. Even also in this side po, the facing sunrise. Take a look at this. Imagine you are building your own home in this area po. How can you imagine it? So that? Napakaganda po nun. Ma'am sir, are you exhausted? Noise of Metro Manila. Traffic dito. Busina doon. At Aspen Hills, ma'am sir, we have available lot only. So later, ma'am sir, I show you where exactly this lot located, ma'am sir. Samahan niyo po ako. Ma'am sir, this is where exactly located, ma'am sir, our available lot po at Aspen Hills, Tagaytay Highland, ma'am sir, a total of 395 square meter. So as you can see, ma'am sir, this is the start po ng muhon po ng lote na ito. And you have 20 meters frontage po sa lot na ito, ma'am sir. So hanggang dito po sa may puno na ito. And on the side po ng lot, ma'am sir, is nasa mga 20 meters din po yung sukat po niya. So this is total of 395 square meter. If you are interested, ma'am sir, is only at AK Realty, ma'am sir. Now, ma'am sir, I want you to feel the ambience. Look at the view. Even in this side po, ma'am sir. Even also in this side po, the facing sunrise. Take a look at this. Imagine you are building your own home in this area po. How can you imagine it? So that? Napakaganda po nun. So, this is the lot, ma'am sir. 395 square meter. You have facing sunrise, and on the other side po is the facing sunset naman po, ma'am sir. So you don't have to worry on this side po kasi wala na pong bahay dito. So ayun po, so this is the lot, ma'am sir. Clean title, updated tax. If you are interested po, message po kami sa number na ito. Give me at least 1 or 2 days para ma-schedule natin kasi maigpit po dito, kailangan po i-endorse. So again, ma'am sir, if you're interested po sa lote na ito, message po kami sa number na ito. 24/7 po sasagutin namin kayo, even po OFW kayo. So once again, this is Philip Kinigige, host of AK Realty. If you like this video, ma'am sir, if you are looking for another listing, follow our Facebook page. We have a lot of available listing po, even Metro Manila and even in the South po. So once again, this is Philip. Thank you so much po.